Hello, my name is Annie, and today in this video I show you my room. Are you ready? Let's go! This is my room. You can see the walls are grey, and this is my bed. I sleep with my brother Daniel. This is my window. You can see the weather outside. This is my bedside table, is red. And this is a tree to display pictures. This is a picture. This is my stuffed, my dog's stuffed, and this is a pictures. This is me, my mom, my dad, and my brother. This is a radiator. Moving along, I have a measuring. And this is a wardrobe, a white wardrobe. I have my jackets and things. This is my bag, and my rolling, and this is my desk, my Mickey Mouse, Minnie, and my books. I hope you like this video and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!